Kiroko kia umuthi timu ya Uganda Cranes niguo mahutirie tiri wa guku bururi-ini mbere ya ngucanio yao na imwana cia Harambee Stars muthenya wa Aramithi. Captain wa nyanake ici cia Uganda Emmanuel Okwi augite athaki ake nimehariirie mbere wa Mbitika eno guku mari na kahinda kanini ga gwika mehariria ma muico.
We respect Kenya as a team and we respect Kenya also as a nation. But we're here to fight and make sure we get the best possible results.
Ici nĩ mbitika cia kweherania na kuria Kenya marikanie na timu ya Uganda makaumagara nginyagia bururi-ini wa Rwanda gucemania na timu ya Amavumbi.
We didn't go the match against Ethiopia didn't go away, but we've seen where we're lacking and we're going to work on that for the 2 days that we're going to be here, and by Thursday I'm sure the technical bench and us the players we shall have found out what has been missing so that we're ready for the game on Thursday.
It has a huge advantage having in mind that coach Jacob had March qualifiers, and also your league has not been in recess, just recently finished.
Michael Runga Ianotieno na Eric Ouma ni amwe ya athaki aria mathakagira nja na aria manyitithitie thinga mehariria na njira nene. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.